Alright, how's it going, YouTube? We back out with the XTM. So I was able to build a spool. Once the video is done, I'll take it to the bench and show y'all. I was able to build a spool. My local hobby shop had some Armor spool parts in stock. I just made it work. So right now I just want to test it and see if it holds up. So I'm gonna do some passes back and forth. I also got the GNSS in there. Oh, they got money flying around, y'all. I got the GNSS in there. I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna see what I can get, and then we'll work with it from there. I do want to do some speed runs with it, but I would like to set it up for drag racing for the 8 scale class. If anything, if I go to New York or anywhere out of town, I would like for this to be the one, because I think this is stronger than the XC, but time will tell. So y'all stay tuned. Let me get it set up. Sorry about that, guys. I also want to wish everybody a happy holidays. Hope y'all enjoyed y'all Christmas, and hope y'all have a blessed New Year's. So let me go ahead and get this set up. All right, y'all, this is gonna be the first run. So let me show y'all the GNSS. We're gonna start it, and at the end of the run, we'll see what's going on. So I have a brand new XLX2 in here, and I'm having problems with my on and off switch. So let's see if it holds up. I got a good servo in there, so hopefully that thing stays straight. It is on 6S. Got some body rubbing, but I'll take care of that. Got a little bit of pulling. It is I'll take it back to the bench, show y'all the setup, but it is topping out pretty quick. But let's get some launches and see what it does. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna get one good pull in. Sorry about the wind, guys. I know it's kind of windy out today. Let me get one good pull in and see what it did. It's rolling. That spool's holding up. It's nice and smooth. Oh, nearly lost signal there. All right, let's take out the phone and see what it did. Sorry about that, guys. Take out the phone. Let's stop it and read it. So we got 53. I mean, it's not bad. It's the first setup I got in here. I really just want to see if that spool holds up. That's my main goal. But I'm gonna restart this. You want to track it again? Start. See if it get any better, or we wasting our time with this gearing. It's going nice and smooth though. You can tell it need a lot more something. Get a couple more hits, then we're gonna call it a wrap. Got the body. I got shout out to my bro. Sorry about that, guys. Shout out to my bro, Amazing RC. He did this body for me, built me this front lip. I done damaged that front lip so much that I put screws in there with bolts now to hold on, to hold it tight. So no, I think that's what's scraping. But I'll make the car firmer for it to stop doing that. Spool holding up. I gotta turn that brakes down. This is a brand new XLX2, so I haven't even did nothing to the ESC, no settings or nothing. So just really wanted to see how the car was running. See if the spool holds up or what. Spool seems smooth though, if you ask me. Alright, let's go ahead and see what it did. We're gonna go ahead and call it a wrap. Ah, GNSS shut off. That means it probably came out the car. Oh boy. Yes, it did. Ah, the GNSS broke on me. Look, it's right here hanging, y'all. Damn, the top came off and everything. So much for knowing what it did. I'll probably try to find the top, y'all. Put it back together and we'll see what happens. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'll get it back to the bench and show y'all more about it and go from there. All right, y'all. So let me unplug this. I did go ahead and find the top. It was way over here. I had used double-sided tape one time to hold it down, and when I took it off, it popped off. And now, hopefully, y'all seeing that. So hopefully, this is still usable. We'll see. I'll get it back home and make sure everything's good with it. It's not reading on my screen, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, all right, y'all stay tuned. Got the rustle out, so y'all stay tuned for a video for that. All right, how's it going, YouTube? So this is after the run. This is how I set it up. I was running a 6S, but it's 2 6S in here for the weight distribution. But this one wasn't plugged up. I should have showed y'all that before, but I wasn't breaking no records, so ain't nothing to hide. But I wanted to show y'all the spool I made for this. So far, it seems to be holding up. It's a armor spool. It has an armor mount in here and everything. Now, for me to get this to work, since the armor top plate is more spread out, is more in, mine's is spread out. So I have to like set it at like an angle for it to work. And you see my bearing where it sits is halfway in there. That's what I had to go out and test. The gearing I got on there is pretty much a big gearing, but that was just for me to test and what I had at the moment. So right now, since it's working, I gotta start trying to get some more gearing and test and tune more with it to really get it dialed in. It's leaving nice. I put a nice servo in there, so we're gonna see how it holds up. Let me go ahead and disconnect this. Spin the car around, show y'all. Spool so far is holding up. Everything is holding up. Got no complaints there. I took the motor out of the Exceed. I just wanted to try it in. Maybe if I had more kV, since this is a 1650 kV, it's gonna need a lot more gearing. But if I had more kV, I would need less gearing. So we'll see how that works out. Also, I don't think my analyzer's working, so I probably won't be getting no speed runs, or I wouldn't be able to do with the street eliminator and find out what that's running unless I set up the tree, which it ain't happening no time soon. So hopefully I can get this back up and fixed the way I want it, because right now that takeoff and everything it's too soft for me. I need to launch a lot harder. So we'll do some updates on this. I'm glad it's back up and running. I don't want this motor in there. I would like a better motor. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Definitely want to get a better motor, but in due time. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned. I also had the rustle out if y'all seen it in the video. But stay tuned for that too as well. I put a Sidewinder 4 in there, and it ain't have the power it did with the Sidewinder 3. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys.